Hello friends, welcome to Arshit Traders, and today we are going to see one of the market shaking stocks. Why? Because I am calling like that. So recently it given like 100% returns, but still moving upside only. So when to exit? So many retailers didn't know these type of stocks when to exit, when to enter. So friends, this is a short term going to play. That means uh, why these stocks are moving high. If you know that, you you have chances to exit by tracking them. So I am going to tell you one thing, that three companies. One is Mangalore Refinery and Petrochemicals Limited, and another one is Chennai Petro uh, Company, and another one is Reliance Industries. So these are the three companies in India having good refineries for crude oil. So one thing, if you observe here, the price is February, March, April. So stock at 124 rupees. So if you see an exponential, so even in April, the stock is April 1st, the stock at 124. This is an exponential move where it given, and even if you see here the volumes which are at very high. So friends, one thing I want to clear you, these volumes are who entered at these levels, they are exiting here friends. So take care of these things. Why? Because it's an exponential growth seen in the stock, and even if it cross further means we don't know. Why? Because we have to see what is the cause for this rally. So this is ZRM in oil industry. One way to represent this is economics of a refinery to calculate its gross refinery gross margin. That means uh, crude oil prices and the total value of petro products produced by the refinery. That means whenever crude oil prices are high, total value of petroleum products produced by the refinery are also high. Due to that, the GRM is going to increase. So on a total basis, everyone takes this one, Singapore GRM. So this is going to be for everyone. So a gauge of range cross refining margin rose to a multi-year high of $18 per barrel in April, owing to supply destruction in Russia and lower exports of petroleum products from China. So, due to lockdown in China and due to war in Russia and Ukraine, so these two causes barrel. So, per barrel price increased, crude oil price. Due to that, the GRM of the Singapore GRM is also increased to $18 per barrel. So, it averaged at 8, actually $8 per barrel in March and 5.9 barrel per 1 year ago. But as of now, see 28 April 2022, it's like skyrocket. So due to the that reasons, the stock is rising. Even if you observe here, Mangalore Refinery, even today, that means market still volatile. The stock given 9%. If you see 5 day returns, 44% given by this stock. If it see 1 month, 60% returns. So 6 months there is 163% returns. From 40 rupees to the stock moved and moving like a rocket. So when to exit? When to exit means whenever if you observe. So this is investing.com site. Whenever you observe these commodities. So if you see here, if you go here and if you go here, commodities, you are going to see anywhere commodities, the price for crude oil. So Brent oil here 123.86 per barrel. So this is increasing. If it is increasing or if it maintains 120 above, so if if it maintains 120 above and if it is moving higher from this position also, these two stocks and the Reliance also going to benefit. And if you observe here, so if the same thing happen, so other stocks are going to fall, but here these stocks are going to benefit in that way. And one thing you have to see friends, whenever these type of exponential profits coming for the company, these type of company, due to global uncertainties, governments has uh, what you called right to take that profit as a windfall tax. So here if you observe what is a windfall tax. So a tax levied on an unforeign or unexpected large profit especially one regarded to be excessive or unfairly obtained. So whenever certain companies get these type of unexpected large profits, government has a right to take this windfall tax on these companies. This is also one risk that is going on these companies. So we are definitely not telling that government is going to take their decision, but there is an opportunity. Why? Because these type of windfall tax taken by UK. So if you see UK recently, so on May 26th, that means last month ending, UK Chancellor announced a new tax on the profits of oil and gas companies operating in UK and surroundings. It will increase the headline rate of tax on these profits to 65% from 40%. It will apply to profit arises on or after May 26th. So this is one of the major thing. So that whenever governments thought the profits are, if these crude oil prices are going to be higher for a longer period, like for 4 5 months, 6 months, 7 months, these these type of things will happen. That means government will take a conclusion and we are going to increase some tax. So little increase also gives panics to retailers who entered at these higher levels. They are going to dump. So friends, these things we don't know actually. In this Chennai petro or Mangalore refineries, unless already taken at these positions, they already know these type of things. They take these positions. If you see these volumes, they actually they exited. So they exited, in my view, they exited their little portion. So this is my detailed analysis, friends. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share my channel. What you have to see means, if windfall tax by government, exit. So without looking into the share, sell button. So if Europe, this crude oil prices comes below 120, exit the share. So this is my view. Thank you very much.